This is a beautiful before. Wait till you see what I turn this into. This is my home. My beautiful home. Biggie, 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 biggie. Biggie, 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 biggie. This is a beautiful place. I would love to have children one day, a beautiful wife. First, you gotta find somebody you can trust, but that's a whole other story. But look at this. How could you not want to raise children here and show them what life is all about? There's my dog taking a shit. Turn that. This is a before. I turn that into a little flower garden area. There's the bandstand that I'm gonna. Big plans for that. That's a whole other story too. This place could talk. The stories it could tell you. I'm sure. Look. Look at that. Would you look at that? I mean, just look at it. Some more berries. See, where else can you go? And just pluck a berry out. I need it. It'd be so good. Mama's gonna make some blackberry pie. Look at all those chairs I'm about to make. Bridges. Cool shit. Wait till you see what I do with all that. Make this house. It's farm. $1 million farm. In value, at least. It's priceless to me.